If you're getting the Premiere Pro error retrieving frame message during export, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get your project exported without the crash, error, or frustration. This issue usually happens when Premiere Pro struggles to process a specific frame, and that can be caused by a corrupted clip, an incompatible codec, a mismatch in frame rate, or even a GPU overload during what's called a low-level exception. The good news is that there are several simple things you can try before you assume the whole project is broken. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's fix it. First, before you even hit export, give Premiere Pro a little time to fully load your footage. If your timeline includes a lot of clips, effects, or heavy media, exporting too quickly can sometimes trigger this frame retrieval problem. Also, if you're using Media Encoder, keep Premiere Pro open until the export has actually started. Closing it too early can sometimes interrupt the handoff and cause export errors. Next, check your frame rates. One of the most common causes of this issue is a mismatch between the frame rate of your source footage and the frame rate in your export settings. Go into your export settings and make sure the output frame rate matches the original files in your sequence as closely as possible. If your footage is 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, or 60 frames per second, try to keep that consistency through the export process. This simple adjustment can solve the problem much faster than you might expect. If that doesn't work, the next thing to try is relinking your footage. Sometimes Premiere Pro gets stuck on a media path or has trouble reading a file properly. You can test this by taking the source media offline and then relinking it back into the project. This forces Premiere to reconnect to the files and can clear up frame retrieval issues caused by bad links or unstable media references. Now let's clear your cache. Over time, Premiere Pro's media cache can build up and cause strange export behavior, especially if files have been moved, replaced, or edited heavily. Go into Premiere Pro settings, find your media cache options, and clear both the cache and any unused cache files. After that, restart Premiere Pro and try exporting again. This often helps refresh the project and remove corrupt temporary data. Another good test is to export directly from Premiere Pro instead of sending the sequence to Media Encoder. Even though Media Encoder is useful, sometimes the error appears only when the export is handed off externally. By exporting directly inside Premiere Pro, you can see whether the issue is related to the encoder workflow itself. If the export works directly, then you've narrowed down the problem significantly. If the issue still continues, try changing the sequence frame rate to match the original footage. In some projects, the sequence settings themselves can create conflicts if they don't line up well with the media you're using. Adjusting the sequence frame rate can help Premiere process the timeline more smoothly and avoid the frame it's failing on. Now, for the more technical fixes. In the Export tab under Video and Encoding settings, switch the performance option to software encoding. If your system is using GPU acceleration, the hardware encoder can sometimes struggle with certain clips or effects. Switching to software encoding puts more of the processing on the CPU instead of the GPU, and that can get you past the error retrieving frame issue. You should also try changing the renderer. Go to File, then Project Settings, then General, and set the renderer to Mercury Playback Engine Software Only. This is another way to reduce GPU-related problems and can be especially useful if the issue is tied to a graphics card conflict, driver problem, or a low-level exception during export. After changing it, restart Premiere Pro and test the export again. If you're still stuck after trying all of these, the next step is to isolate the problem clip or effect by checking the area where the export fails. Often, the damaged frame is caused by a single clip, transition, adjustment layer, or effect in that part of the timeline. Once you identify the problem section, you can replace the media, render that area, or remove the effect causing the issue. So to recap, wait for your footage to fully load, keep Premiere open until export begins, match your frame rates, relink the footage, clear the media cache, try exporting directly, adjust your sequence frame rate, switch to software encoding, and set the renderer to software only. One of these steps usually solves the Premiere Pro error retrieving frame problem. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro fixes, editing tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.